Hi, welcome to day 16 of the How to Attract Anything challenge. I'm going to take you a little deeper today. Today's topic is going to be about forgiving yourself. Forgiving yourself for all the things that you're holding against yourself. You see, while we are very good at forgiving others, one of the things we don't ever consciously do is to forgive ourselves. We know why we did it, but that doesn't make it okay in our head, right? And for those people who hold on to why was I so foolish? Why did I make that mistake? Nobody likes to be wrong. And whenever we are wrong, we are extremely critical of ourselves. So it's very important that we take that critic and change him into a coach. So no more self-criticism, only self-coaching. How do you do self-coaching? When you tell yourself, I will not do it again. I'm human and I won't do it again. So you can't criticize yourself for what has already happened. You can't hold it against yourself for the rest of your life. We all make mistakes. We are not robots. We are not God. We are supposed to be people who humans make mistakes. It's a done thing. And when we make mistakes, when we don't forgive ourselves, please know then we also don't have the capacity to forgive others. So then we are operating like, pretending to be this very righteous person who can't forgive himself and can't forgive others. That is such a bad place to be in. I would love for you, taking risks will become so difficult. Making a joke will become so difficult. Life you will take so seriously. No one in your environment will be allowed to do anything lesser than what your expectations are, and you yourself will keep yourself on that pedestal. The problem is, till the time you're on the pedestal, it's okay. But the minute you fall, you will fall in your own eyes. And then to rise from there becomes really, really difficult. So today's challenge is going to be about identifying that one thing that you believe you did wrong. In your own head, go into some place where you think like, oh my God, that is one thing that I've been holding against myself. Today, I'm going to let that go. I'm going to forgive myself, because only in forgiving myself can I grow. I remember at one point I had this dream where I'm on a boat and the boat is on full throttle, but it's not moving ahead. And I'm like, why is my boat not moving ahead? Why is my boat not moving ahead? Only to realize that it was still looped onto the shore. It was still on the peg. The rope had not been removed. And a lot of us are living life like that, wanting to go full speed forward, but our rope is still stuck on the shore. I don't want that to happen. If your boat is still anchored in, you're not going to be able to be moving, but no matter how hard you try. So it's very, very important that we forgive ourselves. In forgiving ourselves, we actually unloop. We then allow ourselves our mistakes. And then when we make our mistakes, there is no journey without mistakes, right? So when we make those mistakes, we quickly learn from them and we move forward. We start to accept our failures, and then we become so much more comfortable with who we are. So today, I want you to type below, I forgive myself. I forgive myself for my immaturity. I forgive myself for my insensitivity. I forgive myself for not realizing. I forgive myself for not being or living my highest version. Whatever that means for you, please write it out. And the whole day, if you can just spend in really, truly falling in love with yourself. Just fill yourself up with love. Notice all the good things about yourself and keep forgiving. Whenever a negative thing comes out, forgive yourself. Don't call yourselves names. Don't call yourself unintelligent, lazy, boring. I don't know how to communicate. I'm not good at this. I'm not good at that. All of those things that you say to yourself, your soul is hearing. And when your soul hears all of this, it can get very hurtful. And by hurting yourself, you're not going to achieve anything. So truly, today, comment about forgiveness, spend the day in forgiveness, and notice all the amazing things that you already are.